Listen, I'm feeling like a whole baddie right now. Outfit looks bomb, accessories are accessorizing, and this wig is just doing it for me. I'm feeling bad and bougie, baby. Let me live right now, okay? Let me live. So let's get into this wig right here. This is a brown with blonde highlights, and I love the way that Arabella hair colored this wig because it looks really bomb. Y'all already know this is one of my favorite wig companies to work with because the quality of their wigs is amazing. I love the coloring of their wigs, the overall just construction of the wig. Y'all are gonna be so satisfied with it, and if you're not, let me know because you better be getting the same wigs, okay? So this is their 13 by 4 inch lace frontal wig. It is 30 inches long, y'all. She is a beauty. This is giving me black Barbie vibe. This wig does come with an elastic band strap. However, the inside of the cap does not have any wig combs, so I would recommend using adhesive with this wig, y'all, because you want to make sure your wig is nice and secure, okay? I am loving the color of this wig. Y'all let me know what you think about this color in the comments section down below. The installation process of this wig was not long at all. It honestly blended better than any other blonde wig that I've ever received. I've told y'all when I receive 613 blonde wigs, the lace tends to be really hard to blend and it's like a weird tint to it, but that was not the case with this wig, y'all. I don't know if it's because it has brown in it, but the lace on this was much easier to blend than other blonde wigs that I've tried in the past. I want to give a big thank you to Arabella Hair for sponsoring today's video. And if y'all would like to see how I installed this wig and styled it today, y'all know what to do. Keep watching your girl.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, 'cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, 'cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real nigga from the ad, about to pay out. Spending time wind down, what it's take out. And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
Fade out, fade out. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you.
So that was super easy to install, right? The hair already came straightened, so all I really needed to do was just get the parting area nice and flat the way that I like it. I did end up doing like a side parting and then going to a middle parting, so I did a little extra work. I felt like the side parting wasn't giving, but I was on TikTok live and somebody else said it was, so I don't know. Should I have kept the side parting or did the middle parting do this wig justice? Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch y'all in my next one. But be sure to check out my last video if you didn't already watch it. I'm gonna leave the link right here for y'all.